Let's go to Pat in Haines City.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a quick question. I live here in Florida. I have a son that lives in Georgia. I'm in the process of helping him buy a manufactured home for his property, which is in his name, in Georgia. And my question is, should the title read his name and then the word or the word and?
This is a manufactured home?
Yes.
I would put or.
Put or?
On a manufactured home, I would put or. Are you going to own the land underneath of it?
The home is going to go on his land.
His land, okay. Yeah. Just do or.
Just do or, and that way, if something happened to me, I would want it to totally be his.
Yeah, or means 100% would be his.
And if something happened to him, he wants it to go to me.
Okay, or would take care of that.
Great, thank you.
Now, let me ask you one other question that might be of concern.
Yeah.
Is the value of the mobile home more than $30,000?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say, just for conversation purposes, it's 50.
Okay.
And you're giving him half. So that's a $25,000 gift. And you can only give away $15,000 without having to report it to the government on a 709 gift tax return. You can elect not to pay the tax on the difference, which would be $10,000. You can elect not to pay the tax on that and use up part of your lifetime exemption, which now is $11 million a person. So most people would you have to do a 709 gift tax return just to elect not to pay the tax and use up part of your lifetime exemption.
Really? A 709 form?
Yeah, gift tax return, IRS form.
IRS gift tax. And so, a gift tax form. Okay, but that way we wouldn't have to pay tax on half of it?
Yes.
What if I was paying more than half of it?
Well, you figure out the value of your gift to him, which would be half of the value of the property.
Can it be more? Can it be 75?
Oh, yeah, sure. So you can give away $15,000, let's say $80,000 for simple math here.
Okay.
So you're going to be half owner, he's going to be half owner, so you're giving him a $40,000 gift on an $80,000 property.
Right.
You don't have to report the first $15,000, but you do on anything over. So in this case, your overage is $25,000, so you'd have to report a $25,000 gift.
Okay.
But you can elect not to pay a tax.
Okay.
And use part of your lifetime exemption.
Okay. Well, when you say use 15 for not to pay tax on, would that be to the...
No, you're allowed to give 15 with no reporting.
With no reporting. Okay, but if we're paying cash for this, do we have to do anything?
Yeah, you still do the gift tax return.
You still have to do a gift tax return?
Yes, ma'am, because you gave a gift of more than $15,000.
Well, who would I have to pay the tax to?
Ma'am, you don't have to pay a tax. You elect not to pay the tax, but you have to file the form.
Oh, you file the form, but you don't have to pay the tax
you elect
on
not
any of it.
Right. You elect not to pay the tax, but you're using up part of your lifetime exemption, but you have $11 million exemption, so that shouldn't be a problem, probably.
Right. And does that mean to the person that I'm buying it from?
No, you are making a gift to your son, so it only involves you.
It only involves me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It has nothing to do with the actual purchase of buying it.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Very good.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Let's give out the numbers. You're listening to Ask an Attorney all about Florida law. You're listening on multiple stations. In Tampa, we're broadcasting on 570 910. We're broadcasting on 90.3 FM out of Haines City, Florida. We are broadcasting on multiple stations, Sun City Center Community Station. We have a Crystal River station. We have WBOB in Jacksonville. No matter where you're listening, you have a toll-free number, which is 877-943-9673. 877-943-9673. Phone lines are open. We're also streaming live video on webeamtv.com and Facebook Live. If you're on the Ask an Attorney page on Facebook Live, you should be. If you're not, you can just send me an invite. We'll get you connected to that.